Are you planning to manufacture, import, or sell electrical appliances in India? Then understanding BEE certification is crucial. Without proper BEE registration and star ratings, your product could face market restrictions or legal issues. Welcome to ERCS Private Limited, expert in regulatory compliance. Today, we are talking about BEE registration in India, an essential certification for energy consuming products. What is a BEE certificate? BEE stands for the Bureau of Energy Efficiency, a statutory body under the Ministry of Power established under the Energy Conservation Act 2001. BEE develops energy efficiency standards and labels for electrical appliances. When a product meets these standards, BEE grant a star rating certificate indicating energy performance. Why does a product need a BEE star rating certificate? A BEE star rating certificate demonstrates a product's energy, performance, and efficiency. It helps consumers make informed decisions and encourages manufacturers to build more energy efficient products. Importantly, for products listed under mandatory labeling, this certificate is legally required before selling them in India. Products covered under mandatory BEE labeling. Some products require mandatory BEE labeling before they can be sold in India. These include frost-free refrigerators, direct cool refrigerators, tubular fluorescent, lamps TFL, LED lamps, room air conditioner, variable speed, room air conditioner, fixed speed, color TVs, distribution transformers, ceiling fan, stationary storage type, electrical water heater, electrical geysers. These products must meet minimum energy performance standard and display the correct star label. Products covered under voluntary BEE labeling. Other products fall under the voluntary BEE labeling, meaning manufacturers can choose to get a star rating even when it's not mandatory. Example includes induction motors, agricultural pump set, LPG stove, washing machines, office equipment, diesel generators, solar water heaters, microwave ovens, and many other products. Getting a star rating for these products can boost market appeal and consumer trust. Process for BEE certification. Here's the step-by-step process for BEE certification. Step 1. Product testing. First, you must test your product at a NABL accredited lab to evaluate performance and energy consumption. Tests include performance testing and safety testing. Step 2. Brand company registration. Collect required documents and register your company or brand with BEE. Submit your application both online and in hard copy with signatures. Once verified, BEE issues login credentials for model registration. Step 3. Model registration. Upload test reports and required documents for each product model. Prepare the BEE sample label. After scrutiny, BEE grants approval and authorizes use of the star label. Documents required for testing. For testing, you need legal address proof of the manufacturing unit, factory license copy specifying the product sample with user manual, BIS license copy. This ensures the lab can perform accurate testing and generate valid result. Documents for company brand registration. For company and brand registration, common documents include covering letter, online security deposit payment receipt, brand registration form, trademark certificate, MSME certificate for India's OEMs, authorized signature letter, BIS license copy. Make sure documents are signed and stamped where required. Documents for model registration. For each product model, you must submit covering letter, model registration fee receipt, online application form printout, original test report, BEE label specimen, having accurate test result and label models ready speed up approvals. Benefits of BEE certificate. Getting BEE certification offers multiple benefits. Ensures legal compliance with India's energy conservation laws, improve brand reputation and market credibility, encourages efficient energy use, reducing electricity cost, helps expand to organized retail and institutional markets. It shows consumers you stand for quality and efficiency. Penalty renewal and withdrawal. If you don't comply with mandatory labeling requirement, penalties may be imposed for violations. Authorities may also issue a show cause notice, suspend or cancel your license, and publish your name publicly. Validity. BEE certificates are typically valid for 3 years. Renewal. You will receive an online renewal notice before expiry and must update production data, fees before applying for renewal. Timeline. Here's a typical timeline for BEE registration. Brand registration 20 to 35 working days, model registration 20 to 25 working days. Actual time may vary based on documentation and testing schedules. At ERCS Private Limited, we provide complete support for your BEE certification journey, from product testing, coordination and documentation preparation to application submission and follow-up with authority. Our experts help you avoid delays, ensure compliance and secure your BEE star rating fast and smoothly. If you want help with BEE registration in India, reach out to ERCS Private Limited today. Like this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with important compliance guides. Thanks for watching. Stay compliant, stay efficient with ERCS.